Are you experiencing discomfort in your back? Have you been feeling tired lately? These could be signs that your kidneys are in need of a good detox. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 natural ways to cleanse and detox your kidneys. So let's get started. First up, we have the mighty power of fruits and vegetables. Incorporating fruits and veggies like watermelon, cucumber, berries, and leafy greens can help flush out toxins from your kidneys. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can improve your kidney function and promote overall health. Plus, they all taste great together when you combine the fruits and vegetables to make tasty smoothies. Next on our list is water, and lots of it. Drinking plenty of water is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your kidneys healthy. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, and if you're feeling adventurous, try adding some lemon or lime to your water for an extra detox boost. Another great way to cleanse your kidneys is through exercise. Specifically, yoga poses like the downward facing dog, pigeon pose, and camel pose can help stimulate your kidneys and increase blood flow to these vital organs. Fourth on our list is herbal tea. Drinking herbal teas like dandelion root, nettle leaf, and ginger can help reduce inflammation and promote kidney function. These teas also help keep you hydrated, which is key for kidney health. Replacing your daily coffee with herbal teas can help your kidneys. Last but not least, we have meditation. Stress can wreak havoc on your kidneys, so taking time to meditate and relax can help reduce stress and promote overall kidney health. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Your kidneys will thank you. There you have it, 5 natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and your kidneys will be feeling happy and healthy in no time. Please join your health club by commenting below in the comments section to let us know which tips surprised you the most and let us know what type of videos you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notifications bell on for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.